In the last movie, we looked at how to add slideshows into your website. In this movie, we are gonna see how we can play around with the options to style the sliders that to the way that we like. So first things first, we'll go to the master key over here under LucidPress. We'll scroll down a little bit, go to the slideshow options over here, and then we go to general settings. General settings are applicable to the whole slideshow on the home pages or any other pages on your website. As you know, you can it's worth mentioning that you can add slideshows on any page, your blog, your portfolio, and so on. It's not really confined to the home page. So to make sure that the slideshow is actually showing or is visible on your website, you need to make the enable slideshow button over here, or option is on, and then we can select our slideshow from here, anything slider, and we have flexi slider. Let's try the flexi slider. So we'll pick the flexi slider over here, save our changes, and then head over to the flexi slider settings. And then we can see that we have a set of options over here, starting with layout. We will keep it as a boxed layout. We'll try it out. And then we're going to show the items which we would like to show. Let's say we want to show the first and second awesome slideshow. You need to know that it's better if you keep the height of all of your images that you're showing on the flexi slider is the same. If you keep it 400 pixels in one image, that means all the other images have to be 400, so that it looks nice, and there's no extra white space due to other larger images or the images that have more height. You can set the slideshow height from here. I'm going to keep this 400 pixels. It looks nice. You have the effect as fade and slide. I would like to make them fade. Let's try fade. And for the slide direction, let's try horizontal. And from this option, you can enable or disable the autoplay if you would like your users to browse manually or scroll manually through your slideshows. All what you have to do is just disable the option. If you wanted to automatically change, just enable the autoplay option. And you have other set of really straightforward options over here. The slideshow speed, the animation duration, the disable caption. You can enable or disable it, the pause on hover. So let's save our changes and see what we've got. Let's refresh, and there you have it. It's in a nice boxed layout of the same height, 400 pixels of height. Okay, and now let's try to change some of the options. For example, we want it full width, and let it slide. Let's save our changes. Let's refresh our page, and there you go. Nice, simple. Now let's try the anything slider. To enable it, first you have to go to the general settings, go to anything slider, save your changes, and then go to the anything slider options over there in the sidebar, and then let's show the first and the third one, for example. Now we have made this option in LucidPress so that, let's say, if you have like around 30 slideshows and you want to show maybe fewer than 30, like let's say 5, 6, 10 or so, you can set it from this option, which specific slideshows that you want to show. Then we have other set of straightforward options. You have the animation time, how many in milliseconds, the resume delay, the delay, really straightforward. You can try them out by yourself. And we have the autoplay option again, as with the flexi slider, the pause and hover. You can enable or disable the arrows and the pagination. I'm gonna keep them as enabled over here. We have the slider easing as well. Now, in the anything slider, we can have animations. So first things first, we have to enable them, and let's add some animations to make it look, nicer and fancier. Full width image effect. Let's put it to. We'll keep it at expand. The heading text effect. To right, and then the description text effect. You have another set of options. You can really try them by yourself and see how they would look like. Straightforward, simple as that. You have the animation speed option and the easing animation. So let's save the changes. And reload. There we have it. Really nice animations. Now you can also change other stuff like the slider control style. If you choose the minimal style and save our changes, let me come back. There it is. It's the navigation style. Or the control style is now different and pretty minimal. Now let's head over to the general settings, and you can order your slides by your post ID, title, date, or any random order, and you also have here the ascending and descending order as well. And that's really about it. It's simple, nice, and easy. Try the options out and set whatever that suits your what would look nice to you. Save your changes, and that's it.